Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the iPhone keyboard on Xiaomi 12T. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here find the app called Green Apple. Select the Green Apple keyboard and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Now follow the instructions, so enable it in the settings. Go back. Switch input methods from Gboard or any other keyboard that you're using right now to Green Apple keyboard. Click on OK. And now click on Finished. There might be some ads. And now let's try opening the keyboard somewhere. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.